do projects.
I've noticed this works best, just a plain paper plate as far as painting and all that fun stuff goes. Construction paper, I went ahead and did like a blue-gray for the ears, or you can do white and paint the ears. Pink for the elephant nose. Gray paint, if you don't have gray paint like I don't, I'm gonna mix black and white and make gray. A glue, whichever glue stick you wanna do. A pair of scissors and a pen or pencil marker. So the first things first is make the ears of what we can cut out. I'm just gonna trace it a little bit more with the, so there's one. And then you could either cut that out and just do two of the same, or you can simply just make two elephant ears. And then you're gonna need the trunk. So with the same color, or again, if you have a white paper, you're gonna color it gray. You can cut out a strip. We need a big enough front nose for the elephant. So, and then you have your elephant nose. So first thing we're gonna do is cut out all of our pieces. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is take the trunk, and you're gonna just do a back and forth fold. So you're gonna fold it once to the front, and then you're gonna fold it once to the back to where it matches. When you extend it out, it's going to be the trunk, the nose. So take the glue. And again, you can do this with your toddler and have them help you. They can do the gluing and the cutting if they're working on scissors. Then for the ears, you're gonna want to attach them. We have an elephant. Love you.
Love you.
So, today we're gonna make an elephant.
This is a turn on the elephant, and the elephant is gonna ooh.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then we've cut out the eyes already, thanks to my lovely husband. So we're gonna make gray paint. We're gonna mix black and white together. Could you mix those two for me, please?
Here.
Thank you. And see how it's turning gray? Look at that. Black and white makes
Gray.
gray. I should
Black
have.
and white, it makes gray.
And elephants start with the letter
E.
E. Alrighty, well we need to let this dry for a
A
minute.
little more.
First, before we hold the glue, see the elephant? So let's paint it. Push. Good. Last one. Push. And squeeze this real tight. And we almost have it. Elephant, but we gotta add the ears on. So what are we missing on our elephant?
Ears.
The ears. Good job. So now watch, when I lift up my elephant, we have an elephant. We could add, if you have a popsicle stick, you can take it and put it on the back of it just like this, hiding behind the trunk, and that way your toddler can hold on to the popsicle stick. Isn't that cute?
That's so big.
It is so big.
Yeah.
Yeah.